Yeah, we're back in my bathroom, which means I'm gonna be doing a curly hair video. I can't even tell you guys how long I've been wanting to try this style, and because I've never tried it, I didn't feel like doing a huge setup type thing, you know, because I don't know what I'm doing. So let's adjust. The focus here is my hair. And yeah, so I've been watching these really cute tutorials on these little mini twist styles, and yeah, so I want to try it out. I was just gonna do it and not record it and kind of just see how it turned out, but I was like, you know what, screw it, let's do this whole process together. Let's move it because clearly the shower curtain is taking away from the hair effect. My hair is freshly washed and I am, oh jeez, I'm just gonna spray it a little bit. It is getting drier at the ends. And then we're gonna add a leave-in conditioner. Ooh. So I'm going in with my Curl Shop coconut milk leave-in conditioner. You can probably use any leave-in conditioner that's gonna keep your hair hydrated. Okay. Focus on my ends. I'm a little nervous because I don't typically try styles that are different. I'm either like a pony, a bun, leaving it out. Sometimes I do it in 2 ponies. Yeah, I'm living on edge there. For the most part, I don't style my hair. So now we pot to the side, to the middle, not the side. Looks like a pretty straight middle part. Do you guys agree? Nope, please be straight. I struggle with middle parts sometimes. Okay. Someone said not to part it perfectly. They said to angle it so it kind of masks it. I'm gonna go in with this, it's kind of like a jelly type thing, and I'm gonna leave it at the back of my hand. And like rub it and leave it at the back of my hand. That's what I do when I'm braiding my son's hair. And I'm just gonna try to twist it. Ooh, I have a feeling this is gonna be a long, long ride. And just let my ends do its thing. So it looks really tiny now, but I know that it's gonna, thicken up as it dries, expand. And I really also want to make sure that they're small enough for me to do different styles with, so I don't know how it's gonna look. I'm nervous, like soft. Shout out to all the twisters and braiders and people who do people's hair, because my fingers are already getting tired. The twists are curling. Okay, so I'm done the first pieces. And yeah, we're gonna continue. So I did these small enough for me to be able to grab here and move them at my leisure. So I kind of want to be able to like this and that, so, but we'll see. We'll see. We really want it to match up or line up, so we're kind of gonna like mismatch it. You guys are probably like, what is she talking about? I don't want this line to match with this next row perfectly, so. Having it in the back of my hand makes it last so much. It makes it so much easier. Ooh, my camera is dying. So I'm gonna come back after we do a few more and we'll check.
The audacity it had to not even let me finish saying, we're gonna check back in. So let's check back in.
Okay, so I'm back. I have like half my hair done already. I can't see the back, but that's it. This is it so far. These pieces have dried and shrunk, not completely, but they're drying and shrinking, and ooh, okay. I think I like it so far. Yeah. So I kind of just freestyled. I don't know how many twists are in my hair. I'm kind of just feeling it out. Once I get towards the back, it's kind of just like however I feel. Like, is it chunky enough? Like, stuff like that. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So I actually have this clip here because that was unraveling. Let's just check this out. Oh yeah, that was good. That helped a bunch. Ooh, I like it. We're gonna go and part the same way, and I'm gonna make my way back. And then from the back, maybe when I get to the back I can show you, but from the back I start parting like this. So from the front, I part from the front. I part from like the line. Like I part from the front, and then from the back, I part from like, I don't know, is it making sense? I'll show you guys when I get there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna continue here. I said I didn't want the lines matching, so I'm likely just gonna, actually let me check in the mirror. So since I don't want the lines to match, I'm gonna go like slightly over. Instead of here, I'm gonna go here. I can't really, probably look bug-eyed right now, but okay, so my line is a little messy. Let's turn back here. Clean up my part, and there we go. My part is a lot cleaner. If you guys have a hair clip, I highly suggest it instead of having to keep tying your hair like this. But I started, I'm on the go, I'm trying to do it. It's been quite some time. I actually have a timer going on my phone. So we're gonna see exactly how long it takes for me to really do my whole head. And I started the timer about 15 minutes after I already started doing my hair. So I actually really like the way that it's falling. It's kind of, it seems like it's gonna go wherever I want it to. So here I've just been using my fingers to part. A little line like that. So I'll tuck these hairs to the side. That's some gel. I'm noticing that I've been having to add extra gel. It's not like gel, it's a soft jelly, but whatever you guys use, if you have drier hair like me, try to make sure you really get your ends. Okay, so I'm twisting it forward just like this, and I think that's what's helping me have a lot of movements. I think. I'm just finger quilling the ends. I'm just letting it do its thing. It's kind of turning out like this. You guys can see? Also, if you guys are doing this, get a laptop, watch something good. I'm watching Alice in Borderland. I'm on the last episode. So we're gonna try to get some more hair action in, and then eventually we'll skip and I'll show you guys how I do the back. My fingers are tired. Honestly, expect my hair to shrink a lot more. It's long right now, but I think it's gonna shrink up. My hands. I haven't taken a handbrake yet. Shout out to me. I don't know how long it's been, but considering I never do this, seems like I'm doing a pretty good job. Nothing ain't no pain, ain't no gain. Next section, we're almost done. I think I need to take a break. My kids have been like, why have you been in the bathroom? And then they see my hair and they're like, so far I've been doing my hair for about an hour. Yeah, I think this is probably gonna take me another 45 minutes. Look like this. And I just like part it like that. Take this piece, kind of like, I don't know. This is still a work in progress. I really already like how it's looking, so I'm excited. Big praise and shout out to all the natural hair girls that be doing their hair, adding the twists, adding the braids, doing the dreads. Man, you guys are amazing. That's the back looking, guys. It's been pretty twisty. Woo, guys! Oh, my last piece! Ah! This is so great and exciting because I've always wanted to put twists in my hair with extensions. I was like, you know what? Let me try it before I commit to it. Whew, I'm done. Ooh, I am done. So we're gonna come back after dress for a little bit. And we're back. Just like that. So this is actually the day after, and I really want you guys to Look at these curls. Twists. Look at these twists. They look so good. I slept on my satin pillowcase. Oh, let me show you. Slept on my satin pillowcase, which really helped not cause friction. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I did not think, gloss this off, I did not think I was gonna get results like this. What? So crazy, because I've always wanted to do this and add extensions and get really long ones. I'm standing on my bed, yes. But I was like, you know, let me try it in my own hair first. And now that I've done it in my own hair, I think I'm just gonna rock it with my own hair. So anybody that does box sprays, that does twists or anything like that, and you guys have tips on like scalp management or twist care, holla at your girl. So, although filming this was quite a struggle because I didn't know what I was doing, I'm really glad that I did film it, and then I'm glad that I did it, period. And I'm even more glad that it turned out so well on my first try. Quite a few tips I had seen when I was watching videos about this, like for example, to do the top chunk of twists, to twist them forward. That way you're able to kind of just do what I'm doing here, flipping it around. But yeah, your girl's rocking some twists! With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to go and continue to enjoy my twists, and leave me any comments or suggestions or any info down below, and let me know what you guys think. See you in the next one.